and in today's unboxing video, we're taking a closer look at the KWM-788BH. Now this is one of our new 7 series of receivers, and this receiver offers you 2 exclusive features compared to the other 7 series receivers, and that comes in the way of HD radio and a 5-volt output. Now we'll take a closer look at what comes inside the box, and we'll look at some of the features that are offered in this brand new receiver. So let's dive into it. First, we have the receiver featuring a 6.8-inch capacitive touchscreen and a shallow chassis, followed by the trim bezel to clean up the installation when mounting flush in a dashboard for that nice clean installation look. Second, we have the included mounting cage and the installation tools to remove the receiver from the ISO mount cage. Here we'll see we have the main wiring harness with the included brake wire extension, and we have our GPS antenna and the included magnetic mount to mount that on a dashboard. Here we have the microphone for hands-free calling and wireless communications, followed by a bag of mounting hardware when using a dash kit, as well as the warranty card here. And this JVC receiver features a 1-year warranty. Now that we have the receiver powered on, one of the standout features is the 6.8-inch capacitive touch panel. And if you look to the side here, you'll notice that all the buttons are flush to the panel surface, so it gives it that clean appearance of a modern receiver. One highlight of a capacitive touchscreen display is its responsiveness, as I'll demonstrate the JVC gesture touch controls by swiping my finger in a circular motion to control the volume. When it comes to customization, JVC puts you in control with this receiver. You can tailor the background images, even adding your own background via your smartphone and a Bluetooth connection thanks to the JVC Portal app. You can also tailor the inputs and set up your own favorite keys using the FNC key, as well as customizing your home keys on your home screen. With a key focus on sound quality, the receiver has an assortment of adjustments available for that audiophile listening experience. You could set up a 13-band EQ, you have crossover controls, as well as time alignment and many other features that allow DSP tuning presets to adjust the sound quality coming out of the receiver. This receiver also boasts a shallow chassis. That makes it easier to install in your modern vehicles with shallow dashes. This series of receiver is also compatible with the iDataLink Maestro RR and RR2 modules. Now this is often required for many vehicles on the market to help retain useful features like your factory climate controls, backup cameras, and much more. To check to see if your vehicle is compatible with the iDataLink Maestro module, please go to the website following the link below. One highly requested addition to these receivers is an HDMI Type D input. Now the reason we chose to use an HDMI Type D is because the nature of the connection is much smaller and it can be recessed in the back of the receiver, making sure you have plenty of clearance when you're putting it in a tight-fitting dashboard. One of the feature exclusives of the KWM-788BH is that it offers you HD radio. If you enjoy listening to AM and FM and want the best quality possible, then this is the receiver for you.